Welcome to the StatTree video module for categorical descriptive statistics. After collecting and scoring your data, the next task is summarizing your data. This video will cover just the categorical descriptives, such as race or gender, and any other variables on your survey which are measured as nominal. You will need one categorical variable in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question B is categorical with 4 nominal values. This will be the variable we will use for our demonstration. To calculate descriptive statistics for a variable in VS Code, type in the following Julia code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you've already saved your code, go to the Explorer pane, browse to the location of the Julia script, and double-click on the JL file. The script will appear in the top right pane. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Julia will generate an output in the console window with the requested information. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.